Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about nutrition and healthy eating, and how making some small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Let's start with the basics. When it comes to healthy eating, it's important to make sure you're getting a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. When you're putting together a meal, try to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains. This will give you a good balance of nutrients and help you feel full and satisfied after your meal. Another important aspect of healthy eating is staying hydrated. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to help keep your body functioning properly. It's also a good idea to try and limit your intake of processed and packaged foods, which can be high in added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Instead, try to focus on whole foods that are minimally processed and as close to their natural state as possible. When you're shopping for groceries, try to stick to the outer aisles of the supermarket, where you'll find fresh produce, meat, and dairy products. The inner aisles tend to be where the processed and packaged foods are located. Another great way to incorporate more healthy foods into your diet is by making smoothies. You can use a variety of fruits and vegetables, along with some protein powder or healthy fats, to create a delicious and nutritious drink that's perfect for a quick breakfast or snack. Finally, it's important to remember that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. There are plenty of delicious and healthy recipes out there that you can try, and you might be surprised at how good they can taste. So there you have it, some simple tips for incorporating more healthy foods into your diet. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.